Hi my beautiful babies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Fabiola. I post every Tuesday and Friday, and I do anything from fashion hauls to food hauls. We like all the hauls, all the good ones anyway. We mostly talk shit here and we welcome all. If you don't like it, you will be blocked. But anyways, today I'm coming at you with my first thrift haul on this channel. So let's get into it. And stay tuned to the end of the video to see what my favorite item is, and comment down below which one is your favorite. Smash that subscribe button, and let's just go ahead and get on to the video. Okay, so I'm not going in any particular order, but first things first, look at these. Look at these. Do the little beep beep. They're like brown. I got these for $2. $2. Yeah. First find. Future Fabiola coming at you. While I'm editing, I did forget a couple items that I found. Well, I'll have to show them next time. But if you guys want, head over to my TikTok and you'll see the items that I left out. Sorry. But I got this crochet top. She's beautiful. She doesn't have any tags, so I think someone made this. So whoever made this and whoever donated it, oh, I gotta fix this. Okay, whoever donated it to the Goodwill in Tucson, thank you. And then we have this number here. So this is like a jacket, and then it comes with pants. It comes with pants, and it's a two-piece set. We love the material, is super soft. I found these little joggers. I love this print. I love the material of these. I actually have a jumper that's this exact material and print. Rayon is definitely my favorite material, and me and Bae will be matching. Found a couple other joggers. I found a couple joggers. This is the other pair. Very light, very flowy. I love these. I love this style. I love those. I wear them a lot here. And then onto my slip. I love her. Like, love her. Ugh, my other two favorites. I got this slip skirt. She's cute. Can't wait to style her. And I got one in white, and this one has slits on the side, which I think I'm gonna try to do with the black one because she doesn't have slits. This dress here, I was okay, so I went thrifting in mind. In my mind, I had a vision for fall, and I'm like, I'm gonna get staples for fall, and I'm like, I need to get stuff that's gonna last me a long time, right? So I can rewear and stuff like that. And like, she popped up. She came through and was like, hey girl. And she is a long one. I think it goes like mid-calf for me because I'm short, but she's cute and she's great for fall. Love the color. Can't wait to style her. But last but not least, I'm not saying it's the showstopper, but it is. It really is. So, little backstory before I show you. So, I have been wanting, like, needing a pair of cowboy boots. Like, I just needed a pair. And ever since I was in Florida, like, I always wanted them, but my calves are huge. Like, these calves, huge. We don't show free feet, so huge calves, okay? The dancer, cheerleader, the works, okay? I could not find cowboy boots. One, they were too expensive, and I did not want to buy leather. We're not doing that, right? I could not find any that fit my freaking calves, and if I did, they were ugly, and I didn't want them. Thank you. Went thrifting. Found them. Whoever broke these in for me, thank you. But I'm like, hello? and I got them for $12. So whoever donated these, thank you. Thank you. Thanks. Aren't they beautiful? They're fucking gorgeous. I'm so excited. And my girl always makes fun of me because I wanted them. They're not in perfect shape. Like, they're beat up. Like, beat up. But I wanted them. And I found them. I'm wearing them with everything this fall and this winter. And supposedly it might snow here in Arizona. I'm not ready for that. But we're here. I have a lot of winter shit because we like the cold. But I have never lived in the cold, so we'll see. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down below which item is your favorite, because I know which one mine is. It's the boots. And if you didn't get that from when I showed them to you, what are you doing? Anyways, thank you so much for being here with me today, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for weekly videos. I post every Tuesday and Friday. I love you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy your weekend.